cafecito time, and today I just didn't feel like making coffee at home. I haven't been out for coffee in months, and I have a gift card that I haven't used since Christmas. So today we are at the Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf. Everyone always talks about Starbucks and Dunkin, but you know what? Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf also has some pretty good coffee drinks, and they have pumpkin spice as well. So today I'm trying out a pumpkin spice latte from Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf. So let's go check it out. Oh, those are cool. Hi, the pumpkin latte for Veronica? Okay, thank you.
The preparation.
Yes. So here's my pumpkin spice.
Wait, start over again. Start over again.
Pumpkin spice iced latte from Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf. Everyone talks about Starbucks and Dunkin, but you know what? Coffee Beans are really good too. So I wanted to try it out, and I have my own little straw. Gotta be safe. So let's try it out. Haven't been here in a long time. Ooh, that's really good actually. Very, very good. So this is my first official pumpkin spice drink latte for the season that I have had. Well, I've had one before, but I made it at home, but from all the coffee shops, this is my first one, and I really like it. It's pretty good. So don't forget about Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf. It seems like it's neglected on the internet and on YouTube and on Instagram, but we've got to show Coffee Bean some love. Really good. Thumbs up. Definitely check them out. They also have hot drinks, and they have also a maple latte, which I will try another day because I could only have so much in one day. So that's it. That's my little coffee adventure for today. I haven't been out for coffee since May, I think. So I was a little excited but a little nervous at the same time. But hope you guys are enjoying these videos. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up. Hope you're having a good day, and don't forget to get your pumpkin spice latte. All right, everyone. See you guys later. Actually, it's really good. Ghetto with my Starbucks bag. Going to Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf. Actually, this is really good.
What do you think of this whole lockdown business?
I'm over it. I want it to be done, but I guess we just gotta be safe.